Today I am sharing with you such an amazing sweet dish in which you have to mix only 2 ingredients and it turns out mouth-watering. You can also freeze and store, and whenever you want you can have. So let's begin. Take half cup of milk powder, add into it 4 tablespoons condensed milk and mix it well. If you want more sweetener to it, so you can increase the proportion of condensed milk. Mix it really nicely. The consistency of it should not be liquidy. It should be like this as shown in the video. Add a little bit of green cardamom powder into it, but it's optional, you can skip it. And you can also add dry fruits of your choice if you want, but this is also completely optional, you can skip it. In my opinion, there is no need to add green cardamom or dry fruits. Without this also it turns out amazing, but choice is yours. But in my family's few people like it, so that's why I am adding it. Now take a samosa strip and place it like this crisscross. One has to be vertical and another one has to be horizontal. Now add this mixture into it. Now wrap it. To seal this, use water or you could use all-purpose flour, mix it with water and apply to seal. First place one sheet, then place another sheet over it to lock. When you will wrap it, keep aside and make it ready all in the same way. We'll give some name to it. The thing which we have make it ready today is like a rabdi, which we have closed into an envelope. So we can call this dish rabdi parcel. Just see the another one how to wrap it so you will be more clear. See one more. At the center place the filling and then lock it with its opposite sheet. When you will make it ready, all of this keep in a refrigerator for at least 1 hour to make it firm or set. Otherwise, if you'll fry without refrigerating it, so due to heat the filling of it might leak. So keep in a refrigerator before frying. After 1 or 2 hours, fry it, heat up oil and keep in mind you fry this on a medium to high flame. When you will see a nice golden color on it, then dish out. And garnish this with dry fruits, but it's completely your choice. You must try this recipe. It's such a divine recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such a quick, easy and amazing recipe. Thank you for watching.